This might be the day to mow the pasture. We'll see. Boy, all the egrets will be excited. Yep, looks like they are. And we got a big helper here. Where'd he go? There's our big helper. Boy, the horses won't have to cut up their food anymore. Just pick and choose. We're doing around the pond first. Doing around the pond first. Oh, neat little gadget. I wonder if they'd come to my house.
The mower will get some of the stuff that the bush hog moves too high.
Yeah. Or maybe he's gonna go around the trim the trees. Huh. Boy, it's gonna take him a while to do that. It's a big pasture. Bucky, Sterling, Lady, and Sugar stepped right back when the vehicle came in and said, "Okay, we'll watch." All right. Let's see what it's like after.